Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons again. Today, our topic is, as you see, kitchen vocabulary in Kurmanji. So, the aim of this video is to improve your vocabulary skills while you are speaking, when you are speaking about kitchen or food. Okay, so in this video, you will learn the name of many tools in the kitchen, and you will learn several adjectives to describe a food, and you will learn many verbs to use while cooking. Okay, I mean when you explain the the process of cooking in Kurmanji. Okay, so I saw something. I need to remove this. I hate when it is. Here we go. Oh yeah, my gosh. Yes. Okay. Now we are ready. So of course, as a Kurdish people, as a Kurdish person, I have to teach you how to say first tea, teapot, teaspoon, saucer, etc. Because tea is a very important a very important drink. Okay, so we drink maybe 10 cups of tea in a day or 20 cups. That's why we will start from teapot. So you have seen before. Our teapot, the Kurdish teapot, is a little bit different. There are two. So this one, the upper one, is for tea, and this one is for water. So you can decide how to drink your tea, right? So like strong or not strong. So yeah, this is called the chai dang. Okay, chai dang. Repeat after me. Chai dang. Chai dang. Okay? So you learn the most important word for Kurdish food culture, chai dang. Okay? So the second, wait, this one. Oh. So this is how to say teacup. So there are many words to say a teacup in Kurmanji. So since most of Kurdish teacups are glass, we use these words for glasses. Okay, so qaddah is the glass, but qaddaha chaye, the tea glass. Okay, or iskana chaye, bardaqa chaye, or as in Duhok people say, glasa chaye. Okay, so qaddaha chaye, iskana chaye, bardaqa chaye, glasa chaye. Okay, so it is a special kind of glass for tea. And here we have a little spoon for tea. It's called kafchike chaye. The little spoon for tea. Kafchike chaye. Kafchike chaye. And this saucer is called bunike chaye. Bunike chaye. Kafchike chaye. Bunike chaye. Qadaha chaye. Iskana chaye. Bardaqa chaye. Glasa chaye. As I said, qadah, iskan, bardak, or glass are for glasses, right? And you can change chaye with another drink. So it will be the same structure. For example, water. So this one will be qadaha ave. So, okay, or this one, qadaha ave. Okay, like glass for water. Qadaha ave, iskana ave, bardaqa ave, or glasa ave. Okay? Qadaha ave, iskana ave, bardaqa ave, glasa ave. And for coffee, to say mug, you can use kupe or finjan. Finjan is from Arabic. So finjan or kupe, we use them very often. And here you see this handle. This handle will be the stick. Let me draw you for you. Draw it for you. Wait, not drawing you, but drawing the handle. So this is the stick. This one is the stick. Or you see, this one are also the stick. Okay, the stick. Probably you know, dust is a hand. Dust is just hand. Okay, and the stick handle. Okay, so don't forget çaydank. قدح چای، اسکانا چای، برداق چای or glass چای. کفچیکه چای, the little one, or بنیکه چای. And this one is for water. قدح آوه، اسکانا آوه، برداق آوه، glass آوه. More tools for kitchen. So this one, the cutting board is tahtik. Tahtik. Cutting board. Tahtik. Tahtik. Care. Care. Care is knife. Care. Knife. But be careful. Don't mix it with ter, which means donkey. So care, ter. Care, ter. So kafchi is spoon. Kafchi. So if you want to differentiate it from the chai, like the teaspoon, you can say kafchiye khwarne. Okay, like the literally the food spoon. Kafchiye. Oh my gosh. Need to change the keyboard. Kafchiye khwarne. Okay, kafchiye khwarne. For big one, you can say kafchiye khwarne. Kafchiye khwarne. This one is chatal. Chatal, a fork. Chatal. Chatal. Repeat after me. Chatal. Chatal. And this one is seni. Seni. Or for the little plates, you can say senik. Okay? The little plate. Plates. So seni, senik. Okay, seni, senix. Senik. And here we have an oven, fırın or fırına, fırın, fırına. Ocak is a cooker, ocak. This one, a pan is tave or mıkılk, tave, mıkılk, tave, mıkılk. Barosh or kuşhane is saucepan. So we will read the list from the beginning, okay? Tahtik. Repeat after me. Tahtik. Ter. Kefçi. Çatal. Seni. Senik, little one. Fırın, fırına. Ocak. Tave or mıkılk. Tave, mıkılk. Baroş. Kuşhane. Baroş, kuşhane. Okay, now the next one. It's about main foods in the kitchen. So, şeker, 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 sugar, şeker. Şekerdank, the sugar pot. Şekerdank. So whenever you see this dank, it should give you an idea about the place. You remember? Çaydank, the place of tea. Şekerdank, the place of sugar. Hue, hue, hue. So, huedank, huedank, huedank. Okay? Rune, nivishk. Rune, nivishk. it's butter. But the simple oil is run, run, run. Rune nivishk, run. Zayt is olive oil, zayt. And zaytun is the olives, okay? Zayt, zaytun. Chai is tea, and qahwa is coffee. So, shakerdang. Khwedang. Rune nivishk, run. Zayt, zaytun. Chai, qahwa. Okay. So we learned several tools. We learned some basics ingredients for food, right? And now we will have a look at some adjectives to describe your food, okay, your meal. So you know the adjectives sar and gar, which we use while describing the weather, hawa sare, iro garma, etc. So these adjectives can be used for food. So you can say chaya garm, qahwaya garm, chaya sar, khwarana sar, shorbaya garm, shorbaya garm, like a hot soup. Shorba is soup, okay? Shorbaya garm. And the next adjective is touj. So touj is spicy, chili, and at the same time it means sharp. Touj. So we can say ke touja. The knife is sharp. Ke touja. The knife is sharp. Ke touja. Okay? Ke touja. And to say salty, you can say shor, or bkhwe with salt. Shor, bkhwe. So sar, garm, touj, shor, or bkhwe. Shirin or shirin is sweet. Cake. Sherina, the cake is sweet. Okay. Tarsh, sour. Tarsh. Lemon, tarsha. Lemon. Lemon, tarsha. Tarsha. To say bitter, tahl or tahl with A or A, they are the same tahl. مثلا شوكولاتة تحلى. And to say tasty, الطعم خوش or بالطعم. So الطعم alone is taste. طعم. It's hard to pronounce. طعم. It is taste. طعم خوش. Like well tasted. أجي بالطعم with taste. So صار, garm, douche, shor, بخوي, شيرين, ترش, طحن, طعم خوش, بطعم. Okay? And the last part is there are some verbs which you can use while you speak about the way you cook your food, okay? So, or while you're preparing your food. So, let's start from here. So, I will draw for you, wait. So, khwaren chekeren is just to cook. If you want to say, I am cooking, as khwarene chedikam. As harosh khwarene chedikam. I everyday cook. As harosh khwarene chedikam. Or as haznakam khwarene chekam. I don't like cooking. As haznakam khwarene chekam. I don't like cooking. As haznakam khwarene chekam. Or as harosh khwarene chekam. I cook every day. از هروش خوارنه چیدک. And here, the next one is قلاندن or sourkeren, which means to fry. قلاندن sourkeren. قلاندن sourkeren. So we can say as patatan دقلينم or as patatan sourdough. I fry potatoes, okay? As patatan دقلينم, as patatan sourdough. Kalandın is to boil. So here you can say as sebzeyan dökelim. I boil, I cook, I boil vegetables. Okay, kalandın. As the kalinim, as the kalinim. So we learned kalandın and kalandın. I want to show you something. Oops. How to say bless you? So you will say herbe or herbiji. Herbiji. It bless you. Herbe. So we learned kalandın, like to fry, and we learned kalandın, like to boil, right? Wait. So you can use these verbs as an adjective, like past participle. So kalandi will be fried. So pataten kalandi, fried potatoes. Okay? And the kalandın is to boil. Kalandi is boiled. So pataten kalandi, boiled potatoes. I like boiled potatoes. Pataten kalandi. Okay. Now let's continue. So we learned kalandi. And hurkeren. Hurkeren is to slice. As hurdekum. As seven hurdekum. I slice apples. As seven hurdekum. As sebzeyan hurdekum. And imperative hurbeke. Seve hurbeke. Sebzeyan hurbeke. Okay? And here there's a nice verb to say to bake. So this verb is mostly about bread, okay? So it is pehten, and the present stem is page, not page, right? Page, and the past stem is pet. Okay, so in present you will say as the pageum to the pagey, أو the page, أم هون أو the pageant, as the pageum to the pagey, أم هون أو the pageant. Okay, أم هون أو the pageant. And there is a Kurdish saying, kind of proverb. It says, "Dbeje le na peje." It's funny. It's actually, it is sarcastic. Okay, "Dbeje le na peje." So it's like it's for third person, he or she. "Dbeje," he or she is saying, but not baking. Like easy to say, but not you don't. So you say, but you don't do it. You speak, but you don't do it. "Dbeje le na peje." "Dbeje le na peje." You can use it for your friends who speak a lot but don't do anything in real life. So "Dbeje le na peje." Okay. So I said the present stem is page, as the pageant to the page, out page, am hon out page, the pageant. And in the past, pat, min pat, ta pat, we pat, way pat. Or the next verb is brashten. 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 براشتن. It is to roast. It's for meat, of course, mostly, but of course you can do for vegetables, sebze and brejo. So brej or brej, if you see it, it's present stem as the brejum, as the brejum. Like past stem is brushed. من gost brushed, من isot brushed. I roasted the pepper or I roasted the meat. Okay, so من brushed, they brushed, we brushed, and brushed, as you see, brushed is to roast, right? And this can be used as an adjective. Brashti, roasted, roasted. So goshte brashti, like roasted meat. Goshte brashti. Okay. So we did brashten, and the last verb is tevdan. Tevdan is to stir. Okay. So you can say as khwarne tevdedim or as chaye tevdedim. Conjugation is as tevdedim, as khwarne tevdedim, or as sebzeyan tevdedim, as turşke tevdedim. Okay, khwarne tevdedim. So let's repeat our verbs. Okay, khwarn checker, it's general verb for cooking. As khwarn chedekum, okay, without specifying the method, the way you cook, just I cook. Okay. Ah, wait, we forgot kasharten. Such an important verb to peel. Kasharten. Present stem is kasher, as the kasherim, to the kasheri, أو the kashere, am هون أو the kasheren. And past stem is kashart. من kashart, ta kashart, we kashart. So you can say as, seve, the kashe, I'm peeling the apple. Okay, seve, the kasherim, as portakale, the kasherim, as another anything you peel. Okay. So I said khwarn, kelandın, kalandın, kaşartın, tevdan, brashtın, pehtın, uhur, kırın. Okay. And here I showed you how to use some of these verbs as an adjective, like past participle. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson, the video. It was a short video for vocabulary, like for kitchen food vocabulary. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me about our courses or about private lessons. So our Gmail is KurdishLessons2019@gmail.com. Okay, you can write me whenever you want to take lessons, or if you have any questions about Kurdish grammar. I know sometimes it looks like a nightmare, but it's fine. It takes time to learn a new language. Just we have to admit this one. It's not 1 day, 2 days, 3 days to work, just years, right? So thank you so much for following me, for watching me, for supporting my channel. Till next video بخاطر و بمینن دناف خیر و خوشیه ده و دم باش.